Hello and welcome to another update video about SEI. Yeah, SEI has reacted to the support zone I communicated. I think it was in the last video. It was certainly on Discord and Telegram because the market showed us a pretty decent 1-2 setup here. And it's quite interesting how this is developing. So obviously we talked about this wave 4 swing low that likely formed on the 5th of March. Here at around 61.5 cents, or 61 cents. So we then identified a potential 5-wave pattern to the upside, and I highlighted to you that if we get a 3-wave pullback, it's likely going to reach this support zone. Again, quick reminder that pullbacks in bullish markets tend to be extremely shallow. That's exactly what we see at the moment in the market. And we had a pullback to the 38.2 retracement at 81.8 cents. Really shallow pullback again. In a more bearish market, we would possibly see a more extended correction. It could be that this is already done. Yeah. So in a more, let's say, not so bullish market, we would probably see a more extended ABC structure. A wave, B wave, C wave. But honestly, the way this is going now, and also with the momentum, I'm leaning to the idea that the wave 2 is now already in after it touched the 38.2 retracement level and a break above the wave 1 high. Basically, that is wave 1 of the larger 5th wave. A break above that wave 1 high could send the price to $1.28 next, but that's really only the bare minimum that I would like to see. Better is a move to $1.40. That's the 1.38 extension, our first ideal target for a third wave. Let's see a wave 3 in yellow. It is also possible that we have a slightly different structure, which is the white count, in which the entire move actually bottomed here in a wave 4 on the 23rd of January. But then this is an ending diagonal, ABC in wave 1, ABC or WXY in wave 2. Then this here would also be some kind of an ABC, I don't know, an ABC, very messy structure that would be. So I would actually prefer if the wave 4 indeed bottomed here on the 5th of March. We're now moving in an impulse, okay? That would also be easier, let's say easier to trade. And yeah, the idea is if the wave 3 is unfolding now, then we should not break below the 81.8 cent level anymore. Basically, we're talking here about the Sunday low, and we'd like it to unfold now towards that $1.28 level as a bare minimum. What else to say? So what is structural resistance? So what we can do, we can also identify here possibly a trend line. Is only 2 touch points, but they tend to react. So I would highlight that, maybe pay attention to it. Could be a bit of a breakout there. Obviously there's a breakout above the wave 1 high anyway, 97.8 cents. That would be the confirmation that the third wave is unfolding, and the third wave itself would unfold as a 5-wave move again. But we, also here on this move up here, in this move up, we haven't really seen any deep pullbacks. So it's very likely that also here the third wave, which is typically the strongest element of a trend, just provides a shallow pullbacks, right? Yeah, that's sort of what we're watching at the moment for. And then the wave 5, just talking about ideal levels, ideal targets, I wouldn't be surprised if this reaches $1.80, $1.80 or maybe even $2 here, which is the 200% extension level. It will depend to a degree on how extended this third wave gets. And then we get this 4th wave pullback and so on. In the white count, we are also bullish, but we might see deep pullbacks along the way. So that's the thing. 2 bullish scenarios, just one allows for deeper pullbacks. That's the thing. That's the tricky element of this. But yeah, that's basically the SEI chart. And what happens as soon as we complete wave 5 of C of 3, well, in an ideal world, we would get another higher low. That's pretty much very much in line with the larger degree Bitcoin chart, and then possibly one more higher high in wave 5. Where they will land, difficult to say right now. Let's first see if this 5-wave pattern fills in. Then we can formulate a support or add a support zone for wave 4, and then we can add a target for wave 5, and then we can put the roadmap onto the chart like this. But yeah, good upside momentum. It seems to be increasing upside momentum, and maybe when the video is updated, we already have the breakout. Things are moving very quickly in the crypto market. That's my update about Say. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.